Hi, my name is Rama Liho and I'm doing the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge. Thank you Mama G, God Kang for nominating me. I nominate Marcus Egger, AJ Bungle and Amrish Liho.
Hello, my name is Pavan Liho and I'm doing the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge. Thank you Godip Kang for nominating and Aidan Bolan for nominating me. I'd like to nominate Ashley Desar, Dami Famakin and Prana Alamea.
Hiya, thanks for the nominations. Jag, Ganita, what's two others? My mummy, Pam Kang, and someone else, but I've forgotten you. I want to nominate Sonia Jalif, Priya Bardwaj, and Helen Buck.
Hi, my name is Freddie Lihel. I'm just being stupid tonight. Thank you for nominating me to Paul Knowles. I would like to nominate Simeon. I would like to nominate Alex. And I would like to nominate Amrish Singh.
Oh, I've just remembered, it was Arjun Bungle. Damn you. Wait a minute, this isn't how a Pyro family would do it.
So